Soft, spongy and healthy date cake which gets ready in just 2 or 3 steps and 5 basic ingredients. So let's start. Begin by soaking deseeded dates in warm milk for 1 or 2 hours. Then grind to a paste. Take a large mixing bowl and add your dates paste into it and some oil. Now mix this well together. At this point, make sure your oven is preheating. Sift your dry ingredients, that is wheat flour and baking soda, directly inside the bowl. Gently fold the mixture and make a thick batter by adding some milk as needed. I am adding some cashews, so dusting them in some wheat flour. Add this to the batter and mix gently. Grease and dust a 7-inch cake tin for this recipe. Pour your batter and tap it a few times to remove any air pockets. Now garnish with some chopped cashews and dates. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 25 minutes. Once done, remove and let cool for 5 to 7 minutes. Then flip it over. Look how soft and spongy it has come. Color of the cake largely depends on the dates you are using. Cool the cake over wire rack before slicing. Details of this cake are in my bio and captions below. Do try this healthy and delicious cake and let me know. Bye bye.